ABC Manufacturing has begun a new project with Community Oil to build parts for a set of new gas stations. Michelle is appointed as the project manager and is told by her supervisor that she can't have any communication mishaps on this project if she wants to continue to be assigned to high-profile projects. Michelle plans how she will use the project planning materials proactively this time to ensure timely communication between teams and with the client. She sets a weekly time to review the project status, checking progress on current tasks, checking in with team members on upcoming deadlines, and sending updates or asking questions. During the project, the engineer in charge of the 3D model design for the project faces a medical emergency, and Michelle needs to look at the workload and skills of the other engineers as well as the project timeline to see what can be adjusted. She finds a set of tasks on the Gantt chart that can be postponed without delaying any milestones, so that the engineer on those tasks can take over the 3D model design. Michelle creates a copy of the original Gantt chart to show the proposed changes, and writes an email that explains the situation and the proposed solution, sending it to the client and relevant people in her own company. The client approves the change, and Michelle works with the engineering team to get things back on track. Several weeks later, one of the stakeholders at Community Oil is very upset that the set of tasks Michelle postponed isn't complete yet, and wants to know when he can expect to review them for approval. Michelle is able to show the documented changes in the Gantt chart along with the approval emails from the client, and lets them know that the project is still on track to meet all milestones and deadlines, even with the necessary changes that were made. The project is able to be completed without any other major hiccups. The engineer who got sick is doing better, and Michelle is glad that she kept better care of the project planning materials this time around.